Hello, this is Porky Pig, and we've got a doggone it.
Yeah, that's how we're going to do this one. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Just the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Thank you, Porky. Leave your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, it is time to talk about the pig event. Now, okay. So, I want to talk about the pig event. It is going to be on February...
PEZ event, piggies.
Yes, Taz, it's the pig event, the PEZ Informational Gathering. That's what the pig event stands for. We won't have...
Make sure you listen to this guy, because he knows all about PEZ. Now I got a trick fruit out of his Cocoa Pebbles.
Chocolate-flavored PEZ. We may even talk about that. But, yeah, the PEZ Informational Gathering. It's going to be February 8th and 9th, 2019.
Hello, everybody. I am Speedy Gonzalez, the fastest mouse in all Mexico. PEZ!
2019 in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is something else.
Thanks for noticing me.
You're welcome, Eeyore. No problem. But make sure you do mark your calendar. It'll be February 8th and 9th for the pig event.
The wonderful thing about tigers is tigers are wonderful things. Their tops are made out of rubber. Their bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about tigers is I'm the only one. I'm the only one.
Crazy things happening now. But the PEZ Informational Gathering, be sure to mark your calendar. It will be on February 8th and 9th. And at
Hulk smash those who not go. Go to PEZ. Hulk smash.
No, it's pronounced pig, Hulk. The pig. It's the PEZ Informational Gathering. Okay, so be sure to mark your calendar for February 8th and 9th, 2019. Yes, we will have games. Maybe the Wookiee will win. You're correct there, Chewbacca. But be sure to mark your calendar for February 8th and 9th, 2019, for the PEZ Informational Gathering. That's the pig event that everybody has been talking about.
Listen, Buster, if you've seen a bird, he's mine. Mine! I'm a cat, and I've gotta have cat food.
Well, we will certainly have some offerings at the pig event. One of the...
What's up, Doc? What's cooking? What's up, Doc? I'm out of here.
Well, what's up is I'm talking about... Oh, I gotta make this video. Okay, so this is a promotional video. It is for... Be sure to mark your calendar for February 8th and 9th.
I'm not Batman. Adam West is, but he died, so I'm Batman.
I guess that's a true statement. I've never seen Batman and Adam West at the same time. It's true. So, be sure to mark your calendar for February 8th and 9th for the PEZ Informational Gathering, also known as the...
I am Inspector Clouseau. I am after that scoundrel, the Pink Panther. Have you seen him?
No, but you may want to check him out at the PEZ Informational event.
I will look there, but do not deceive me, monsieur. I warn you, I have a pink belt in karate. Hi-ya!
Oh, I'm getting thrown off here. Okay, let me try this one more time. Please join us. Wait a minute. No. Oh, yeah. Set your calendar for February 8th and 9th for the PEZ Informational Gathering. That's right, the pig event, where you will see
Autobots, transform and roll out to the pig event, PEZ dispensers.
I'm going to be able to get this in without any interruptions. I know. Here we go. So, be sure to mark your calendar. February 8th and 9th, the PEZ Informational Gathering in Cincinnati, Ohio.
Hello, this is Kermit the Frog here, and I want to let everybody know that they want to go to the pig event. Should be the frog event, but it's going to be the pig event, so you can see your favorite PEZ dispensers like yours truly. Yay!
That's right. There may be a Kermit the Frog there. But I do know we will have some pigs at the pig event. But be sure to mark your calendar. And it is going to be super exciting. We're going to have a bunch of different pigs. And no! Wow. Who knows what's going to happen next? But I can tell you this. At the pig event, potato grenade! Until next time!